Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's still your favorite girl, Jane Onovia. So today I was really feeling so tired that talking while filming was not going to be easy with me, and I wanted the video to be really quick. I just found out that whenever I'm talking, it takes me a lot of time, and if I do voiceover, it helps me limit the time, the content of the video. So I was just doing my skincare. If you just look at my face, you just notice that I was so tired. I was really tired, but I just needed to film this video. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I beg you, with whatever you hold there, subscribe and always give me a comment. Whenever you watch, just comment something, it will help me grow. So I already did my skin prep. I didn't want to start talking about my skin prep, so I'm going in to start blending in my foundation. So I'm going to blend. So while blending, I was making sure that I don't go over my under eye, because I don't like to apply excess product there, because I am still going to go in with a concealer to highlight it. So today I had this concealer from V Beauty. Guys, I've been always been scared of using this concealer because I was thinking it has more oil. But guys, I used it for my under eye and it was super duper amazing. I don't even know. So I just noticed that when you apply more of cream products on your face, it is going to make your face last, your makeup last much longer than when you have everything dried on your face. Like I've always said, that because you want to have a mattified face doesn't mean you should go in with everything matte. So I think doing some creamy things, did everything creamy. My blush, my contour, my concealer, everything was creamy, and my makeup stayed longer, much longer than I expected. Because after filming this video, I actually used this video to the makeup to film another sit down video, and it was super amazing. Like I had this makeup on the whole day, plus my secret spray that made my face stay more. So I'm just blending everything in. This is all we do in this channel. So I'm going to do a creamy contour. Like I most times, if you have been watching my video, I don't do creamy contour, but today I decided to do it. So whenever you do a creamy contour, make sure you are blending very well and try to use your skin shade. It will really help. Make sure that the skin shade you're using, the shade you're using is your skin shade, so you can be able to blend out. So after applying, I had to blend it out. Used my buffing brush to blend. I like to use brush to blend because when I use beauty blender, most times it doesn't go well with me. So after blending with my brush, that is the only time I have to go in with my beauty blender. Sometimes beauty blender sucks up my product, which I don't like. So this is me going in my cream blush. I'm using my lip stain, a red lip stain, to do my blush. It helps to warm up the chin. Like guys, I really enjoyed everything about this makeup. I enjoyed everything. So this is me going to set my under eye. First of all, if you bring out a lot of oil that makes your under eye crease very easily, make sure you set your under eye with your powder first. I had to set it, control the oil first before I go in with my setting powder. So I'm setting my under eye, my forehead, all the places that I highlighted before I will go in. Then I had to use my bronzer to highlight the place I contoured. I normally contour from my chin area to my forehead. It helps to sculpt my face. I have a round face, so it helps to keep the round face in shape in order to allow your face move out from what it used to be. So guys, have you yet subscribed? Please subscribe to my channel and it will help me grow. So I'm going to do my nose bridge. This me highlight trying to define my nose. My nose is smaller, yeah, but sometimes when I'm in the mood, I just like to make it, more defined. Just give it a little shape, yeah. So, guys, as I was saying, you've been watching my videos, and all you do is watch and pass. Thank you for always watching, but please, your subscriber, I need your subscribe button. Just click that subscribe button and help me grow. And please always turn on your notification bell so that YouTube will not shadow ban me. Like, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm just feeling so low because of the low views, low engagement I've been getting. So this is me setting my under eye now with my RCM Inno color powder. This powder is super duper amazing. Like for a longest time, I've not bought a new setting powder because of this RCM. I love this powder. Even if I exhaust it, I'm still going to buy it again. So I'm now going to set my blush, like to put up that one in my chin again. I'm smiling because I'm not using red today. I'm using pink. So I'll just go lightweight. Are you seeing how I'm holding my brush? Just make sure it's going lightweight. This is going to help you get a very flawless. Are you seeing how flawless my face is looking? Guys, this is how many years in this makeup game. This is 2020, 21, 22. This is 3 years already. Your girl is now a pro. Mm? So this is me blending all my whole faces. Make sure that I take up all the harsh lines. Make sure that everywhere is well sculpted. Are you seeing that? Then I went off cam and did my brows. Guys, I love this brow that I did. I think this is the shape I'm going to be doing more often. It suits well with my face. So I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. So this is me trying to prep my under eye, and I'm using my Benign white to prep it. I told you the reason why you prep to get a well-defined color, and also it helps to control oil from your under eye. So this is the new palette I got from Blossom Makeup, her nude story. Guys, you know that I love all the eyeshadow palette that has nude colors because I don't like shouty colors. Guys, this palette is super beautiful. It has three plates, let me say plates, and it has beautiful colors. Like when I got this, when I saw the colors, I was so happy because I know I was going to do a lot with it, like a whole lot. So I started by doing my transition. I used the shade the road beautiful to do my transition. That's a cocoa brown kinda. So I like to use that color for my transition. I don't really do a lot on my eyeshadow. I don't do something complex because you might be doing something complex at the end you won't like what you're doing again. um so I blended it in, blended. Please know that while you're doing, okay, I guess I'm going to film a video specifically of how to do an eyeshadow, because when I do it here, like I just like fast forward because it might be taking me time. Like guys, it takes a whole lot of time. If I start filming it, if I film it alone, I think I might be having like 12, 15 minutes just for this eyeshadow routine. So I did the same thing to the other eyes.
Something I can't forget.
Oh,
My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid.
so I took my flat brush to give myself a little cut crease, not too much, because I wanted to apply another beautiful color there, and I just wanted to make sure that
There's no
nothing is going to
ending.
alter that color. Like I want to make sure that it's giving me that same color that I'm
Water
looking
in a
at there,
circle.
because sometimes if you don't clean that place, you might just have a different shade, which is
I
not the
need to
same thing you
find
were
my love.
expecting.
It's just
So this is me using my flat brush. Some people use cotton buds. I think I'll be trying that cotton bud anytime soon. But I like to use my flat brush and just define that area.
Something I can't forget. My
So I
heart
used it
won't
flat,
let it rest,
fluffy
but
brush, like
you
it's a tempered brush. I
keep
like
on
to use it to tap,
forgiving.
to take the second shade, especially for my lid, because
Admit
that place you
that
only need
I'm
to tap.
afraid.
You don't
If I
smudge, you don't
let
blend, you
go of
just
this
tap,
rage,
tap,
am
tap, tap, tap,
I
tap. So I'll be taking my
complicitly
time to tap
betrayed?
it in. Guys, this eyeshadow is so pigmented.
Something
This
I
is what I
can't
love
forget.
Blossom for. Like
My
I've been
heart
using their
won't
Blossom
let it
African
rest,
Queen,
but
and this one is
you
a nude story. Like I think I
keep
had
on
to opt in for
forgiving.
another eyeshadow from them. It is so
Oh,
pigmented, guys.
admit that
Wow. Like
I'm
for the longest time I've been
afraid.
looking for
If
this
I
shade,
let
and
go of this
boom, it came
rage,
from this
am
palette. I
I
love it so much.
complicitly
So I got this
betrayed?
eyeliner. I just wanted to try something. I don't know what I did was fine. So I just had to
My
add it to my
love,
outer crease there. I see people do
my
it, and I just
life,
felt like, okay, let me just do something.
the price
But I like the vibe that it was given. I like.
to fight,
So I'm going to do my
to
eye black
fight,
liner to give
to
myself that wing lining.
fight.
I'm not a fan of lashes. Nah, I'm not. I'm not. I just had to go in and use mascara and scoop up my lashes because I already have a long one. So I don't think there's any need, unless if I want to put unnecessary serene. Well, I'm not a fan, to be honest. I'm not a fan. So I went over to do my lips. So I'm going to map out my small lips, my small beautiful lips. Like I've gotten so used to my lips, like it is very small and it doesn't give me any stress to do my lips. Nah, it doesn't. So I'm just mapping it out with that burgundy shade. Like that shade is so beautiful. It's from Adventure. So I'm using this one from Classic Makeup. It's also a nude shade, and I'll just blend it in with my brush. Blend. Then I'll just go over and do my. I like to put on gloss. It is very essential because you want to have a mattified lip. Nah, you still have to add the gloss. If not, it will break. I'm talking out of experience. I don't know about you, but that is what I've noticed. So I just added my gloss. It still give you that baby girl look. You warm up your lip. When you have it all dry, it just look like what do it. We're giving like the 50s vibes. This is 2023. So I had to go over and blend on my whole face. It also helps to control oil. It gives you that warm, and your face will be looking wow. You know,
It's
look at
only
how beautiful it's looking already. So
something I
cannot
can't
forget to
forget.
put up
My
a
heart won't
highlighter.
let it rest,
It
but
gives you that baby
you
girl look. You warm up your
keep on
chin, all the places you
forgiving.
highlighted, especially for camera sake. It helps to
Admit
pop,
that
and
I'm
everything will be looking
afraid.
so
If I
beautiful.
let go
Guys,
of
I really
this
enjoyed
rage,
this makeup,
am
and I had to use a
I
setting spray from So
complicitly
Pro Cosmetics. It
betrayed?
is in my short video. Do what to watch. And I laid my hair again. Yeah, I did that myself, and this has been saving me a whole lot of coin. And it has been giving me time to take care of my natural hair. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying up
I
to this
need to
moment. Tell me
find
what you
my
think about this
love.
makeup,
It's
and
so
please don't not
hard to
forget to
let
give me a thumbs up. Please
go.
guys, subscribe
Shine a
and comment your thoughts on the comment section. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when
something
I
I
put up a new
can't
video.
forget.
I love you guys,
My
and I will see
heart
you
won't
guys in my
let it
next
rest,
video.
but
Please do tell me
you
what you think.
keep on
Bye.
forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I complicitly betrayed? Some forgiven.